right?
Right.
Okay, so now let's start past time phrases. As I told you, يا شباب, when you write about the past, you must say the time. You must say when.
Yes.
Okay, so here we
Okay.
have this. We have this. Last, on, yesterday, when I was, and so on, ago. This, when you say this, you can say this summer, this morning.
This morning.
I went to the zoo this morning. What does it mean?
And
رحت
he go to
This morning,
حديقة
يعني
الحيوانات.
this morning يعني ما زلنا في فترة الصباح، يعني ما زلنا زي الآن يا شباب، أهو إحنا لسه ما زلنا this morning، الظهر لسه ما ادنش. يبقى this summer I went to Mecca this summer، معناها إيه؟ إن هذا الصيف لسه ما خلص. I had an
yes.
English exam this week، معناها إن هذا الأسبوع ما خلص. Clear؟
Yes.
طيب
Clear.
can you complete this؟ يبقى this summer this morning who can complete؟
Me.
يلا complete please.
This morning.
This summer, this morning, yes.
This this
Mhm.
afternoon.
Yes, why not? This afternoon.
This weekend.
This weekend, exactly. What about this year?
This
This
year.
year, yes.
This night. This night.
This night, no. I can say this night.
This
Mm.
summer.
This summer
This
we finished.
Tuesday.
This
Tuesday.
Tuesday,
This Tuesday.
no, I can't say this Tuesday.
Oh.
You can say this weekend.
This year.
This year, exactly. You wrote it. Okay,
This my last birthday.
No, 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 no. طيب خلينا complete last. What about last?
Last night.
Last night.
Last Thursday.
Last year.
Tuesday.
Last Thursday or when Tuesday. Yes. Last summer. You can say last summer.
Last
What else?
morning. No. Last morning.
Last weekend.
Last week.
Last weekend. طيب on.
On my last birthday.
No. On Tuesday. On Tuesday. On my last birthday. On my last birthday. On my last birthday. طيب yesterday.
Yesterday.
Yesterday, you can say yesterday afternoon.
Yesterday afternoon.
Yesterday morning. Yes, yesterday morning. For example, I went to the cinema yesterday evening. I went to the cinema yesterday afternoon, and so on. When I was
when I was 12 years old.
I was a child when I was 12 years old. Yes, the same. When I was 12 years old, we moved to Riyadh, for example, or my dad changed his job, for example. Okay. طيب 20 years or 10 minutes ago. Right?
Ago.
Ago, yes. That's
Ago.
Okay, Abdulaziz. So far so good?
Yes.
So far so good.
طيب, can you please يا شباب complete the table with phrases from exercise 1A? Yeah. More than a year ago. More than a year ago. Less than a year ago, but not this weekend. This week out today. لما اقول last summer معناها ايه؟ more than a year
Last
ago.
summer. Last afternoon. لا last.
No.
Last year.
Last year. Okay, last year.
Last
ماشي.
night.
No. more than a year ago. مر عليه أكتر من سنة. حدث
Last
قديم.
birthday.
last here my last birthday ماشي my last birthday okay my last birthday that's right what else
uh, my
hmm.
last
you can say
Tuesday.
no يا إبراهيم افهم more than a year ago يعني مر على الحدث أكثر من سنة
اه
مر here less than a year هنا أقل من سنة هنا هذا الأسبوع أو اليوم
last night.
last night where which group
uh this week.
this week ماشي أهو last night ماشي what else
This morning.
this morning تمام this morning
This Tuesday.
this Tuesday okay what else
This weekend.
this weekend okay عبد العزيز other with me
Yes.
complete please Hmm. You can say this afternoon, this morning, less than a
This
year,
night.
less than a
This
year, but
year.
not this week.
Oh,
Hmm.
last car.
What?
My last car.
What do you mean by last car? We need a time phrase يا أبو علي يا إبراهيم.
Oh, okay, time phrase.
A time phrase.
Last year.
Okay.
Last
Last
month.
year, last month. Yes, exactly. Last month. Last month. Okay. Huh?
Last week.
No, last week.
Oh,
Yes, last week. Yes, you are right. Last week. Last week. Okay, شباب. So
okay.
here time phrase. Please use the time phrase in the right at the end of the sentence and use the time phrase based on your context. But you must write your time phrase. Okay? يا رجالة so far so good.
First week.
So
طيب
far, so good.
now يلا answer this quiz please. When did you last? When did you last go shopping for clothes?
I didn't go shopping.
imagine يا ابراهيم imagine ما تقوليش I didn't imagine لازم تديني اجابه تقول لي مثلا I went shopping for clothes last night
أبشر.
okay I
أبشر.
went shopping for clothes last month I
I
went
went to
shopping for
buy.
the clothes this morning مثلا لو رحت اليوم اتسوقت الصباح قول لي اقول له I went shopping for clothes this morning clear clear يا شباب
Clear.
يلا okay, please ask each other يلا يا ابراهيم ask يا عبد العزيز when
Did
did
you
you
go to?
no ما تقولوش
I went.
did you قول له when did you last when did you last
When did you? When did
when
you go?
when did you last when did you last
When did
وكمل
you?
ها
When did you last
go to the
go to
cinema
see the cinema?
يلا
I went to cinema. I went to the cinema last year.
last year okay next
When did you? When did you last have?
go to the hairdressers
Go to
آخر مرة رحت الحلاق
hairdressers.
إمتى when did you last go to the hairdressers
I went to last week.
last week okay good or last weekend يلا complete when did you last play sport
When did? When did you? When did you last play sport? Yes.
Yesterday.
When
in a
did you
sentence
last?
wait please يا إبراهيم in a sentence يا عبد العزيز in a sentence I played sport yesterday
I played sports yesterday.
yesterday morning ولا afternoon ولا evening حدد لي
Yes, yesterday morning.
exactly so I played sport yesterday morning يلا complete. Go ahead. يلا يا عبد الإبراهيم complete.
When did you last cook a meal?
What about go
I cooked.
swimming in the sea? Number 5.
Oh, when did you last go swimming in the sea?
Mm.
Uh, I went to swimming. I went swimming last weekend.
Okay, in the sea in the last weekend, right? Go ahead, huh?
When did you last send a message? When did you last send a text message?
A text message. Uh-huh.
Text.
I sent a message to my friend yesterday
Yesterday evening, morning. حدد يا إبراهيم يا عبد العزيز.
evening.
Evening,
Like,
right?
yes.
Complete.
When did you last check your email address?
I checked my email yesterday night tonight
Yesterday
at night.
evening. Yesterday
Yes,
evening. Or last night.
evening.
You can say last
Last
night.
night.
Last night. طيب, the last question.
When did you last uh,
Have a
have a
holiday.
ho- have a
Hmm.
I had a holiday uh, last weekend.
Last weekend.
Uh, yes.
طيب. Or last summer, for example. طيب, يلا يا عبد العزيز. Please ask Ibrahim. يلا. The same questions. Please,
Uh,
Ibrahim, ask in full sentences. Go ahead.
okay. When did you last uh, go to the cinema?
Mhm.
uh, yesterday at night.
Okay.
Okay. When did you last to go swimming in the sea?
Mhm. Go to
Uh,
the, please, sorry, ya Ibrahim, wait. Ya Abdul Aziz,
okay.
please ask the questions in the same order, please. Don't
Okay.
skip in any question. Ask all of them, please. Yeah.
Okay. Uh, okay. When did you last go to the hairdresser
Mhm.
dresses?
In this summer.
يا إبراهيم الله
Oh,
يرضى عليك. اعطيني إجابة كاملة لو سمحت. Answer in full sentences.
Okay.
ها.
Uh,
I went.
in the last week.
يا أخي يقول لي في جملة. I went to
Uh,
the hairdressers
uh,
last weekend, last week, last month. قول أي تاريخ تحبه بس يقول لي في جملة لو سمحت. Answer in sentences. كلامك
okay.
يطلع في جملة كاملة ومفيدة. يلا
Okay.
answer again please.
I went to the hairdressers last week.
الله يفتح عليك. That's it. يلا complete.
okay. When did you last play sport?
What?
Number question 4
When
يا
did
إبراهيم. Question 4.
Uh, I I went to play sport last month.
I played sport. I played
I played
sport. ها.
I played this sport last month.
Last month. طب ليه ما قلتش yesterday morning, yesterday evening, last
I
weekend؟ يعني ازاي last summer يعني او last month؟ غير منطقي طبعا. خلي اجابتك نموذجيه لو سمحت.
okay.
Give me true sentences about مش اي كلام وخلاص. Give me true sentences about yourself. ها يبقى I
Uh,
played sport. I last played
last week.
sport. Again please.
I played last sport yesterday
I played sport yesterday morning, evening, afternoon.
morning.
حدد. morning. يبقى I
Yes,
played sport yesterday morning.
yesterday.
طيب complete. يلا يا عبد العزيز. Complete please.
Okay. When did you last uh go swimming in the sea.
Uh,
Yes, go ahead.
uh, I can you do again?
يلا
Can
complete.
you read again?
Repeat the question يا عبد العزيز.
Okay. When did you last go swimming in the sea?
The last time
I went swimming in the sea last summer.
I
I went
went to
swimming last sea last month. Okay. I last.
okay
I went swimming in the sea last. Let me say last week, last weekend, for example.
I went I I I went to the
I went swimming على طول. I went swimming
went
in the
to
sea.
I went to the swim I went to the swimming last week.
Okay.
Okay.
Next.
When did you last cook a meal?
I cooked a meal today morning.
يقول لي this morning. ما تقوليش today
This
morning.
morning.
قول لي this morning. This morning, this afternoon, this
Yeah.
evening كده. Yes, go ahead.
Okay. When did you last send a text message?
What?
When did you last send a text message?
No, text a message. Uh, wait. I sent them this morning.
Yes, go
Okay.
ahead.
When did you last travel by train?
The last time I traveled in this summer.
This summer. So I traveled by train this summer. Right?
Traveled in the summer.
Okay. So this summer. ما تقولش in the summer. This summer. Last summer. Okay,
Last
clear?
summer.
طيب.
Clear.
Okay. So far so good يا شباب.
So far so good. Yes.
You understand how to use time phrases. This is really, really important.
Oh yes.
Right? طيب. Now please go to page 151. 151. 151 يا شباب. 151 please.
Okay.
151. Okay.
Oh.
Here. Yes. Can you please correct practice 3? Complete the sentences with the words in the box. Do you understand past time phrases in, on, from, to? Did you read this?
Yes.
طيب this quickly يا شباب. Quickly please read this. In. When we use in. When we use in. When we use in. So we use in with a month, year, decade, or century. Like what? In July, in 1999, in the 1980s, in the 20th century. Does this make sense?
Yes.
So use in. طيب on مع مين? Particular days. Particular days of the day. Like what? On Monday, on Friday afternoon, on my birthday, on the 16th February. طيب when we use from to من إلى, you can say I worked for the company from to. Okay, from to يعني from 1994 to 2000. The lesson was from 6:30 to 8 o'clock. من إلى.
Yes.
طيب yesterday, last, and this. I saw
last
I saw her yesterday. ما ينفعش أقول I saw her on yesterday. Yesterday يا
saw her
شباب
yesterday.
don't use preposition before yesterday. طيب another one. We went shopping last weekend. We went shopping last weekend.
weekend.
We went shopping at last weekend غلط. يبقى last weekend يا شباب مفيش أي preposition قبلها. أو like
Yes.
he's going to university this summer. Don't say he's
That's
going to
correct.
university in this summer. خطأ. طيب
Yes.
ago means what? Before now. يعني they got married 6 months ago. I phoned you about an hour ago. والله اتصلت عليك من ساعة تقريبا.
Yes.
Okay. طيب when we use when, we lived in Brazil when we were children. Thank you very much. When we were children. When we were children.
Children.
So we lived in Brazil when we were
When we
children. Clear? Can you
Yeah.
complete please? يلا يا شباب. I give you 2 minutes. Complete practice 3. Use the words in the box in the right place. يلا, go ahead. The first one is done for you. I went to Lamia, I was 20. So, when I was 20. What about one? Who can answer it?
Me.
يلا يا عبد العزيز.
The concert started half an hour ago.
Perfect. Half an hour ago. So here, ago missing. Type question 2.
question go.
2.
I found Jim morning. I went. I
Number
mean
2. I phoned the gym morning. Huh? Is it correct time phrase?
in the morning.
No. Just one word. هنضيف كلمة واحدة فقط. When, ago, yesterday, last, in, on. Yesterday morning.
Yesterday morning.
Yesterday morning. مش احنا اتفقنا يا شباب اهو. اقول yesterday morning. Yesterday morning. I phoned the gym yesterday morning. Type 3. We were in class together year.
Last year.
Last year. Yes, last year. طب يلا complete. She came to Spain 2008. In. Yes. طيب next. We took this photo. We were on holiday.
On a holiday.
No.
On a holiday.
We took this photo.
Last.
No.
Last holiday.
When يا حبايب? When we were on holiday. Okay. Use when.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
So we took this photo when we were on holiday. Type my birthday is complete. In or on?
On.
On. Yes, on 20th of May, the 20th of May. So far so good يا شباب. Any questions?
No.
Clear?
Clear.
Of course here the past simple of the form is this is easy for you. Just write the verb in practice in the past. Please complete this in homework. Right? And also practice too, and complete any questions يا شباب in SPR. This is really important questions, one of the most important grammar questions and lessons in your course. This is really important and useful to improve your writing and your structures. This is really important, right? So now, this is the end of our class. what should you do now? Please start at 1 hour يا شباب. Please start 1 hour. Read about the person who, Abdulaziz, you would like to write about Ronaldo, and Ibrahim write about Messi. Please read about the two persons, and then stop reading and start writing about your favorite footballer. And you can take notes. You can take notes يا شباب. You can take notes while reading. While reading, for example, for example, he was born in Argentina, for example. He studied at blah, blah, blah. After that, use these notes to write about him. Okay?
Okay.
طيب, what did you study today? What did you study today, يا حبايب?
We said about best simple.
We started with listening. We started
Yes,
with listening about Jackie Kennedy. Okay?
Yeah.
And then you practiced past time phrases. Past
Yes,
time
exactly.
phrases. How to order them and how to use them in your daily life. Inshallah Rabbil Alameen, our next lesson, we should complete unit 7, just one lesson remaining. After that, you should be ready for your mid-course exam. Okay? Any questions?
No.
Please, ya shabab, get ready